Hi guys, this is Ashish Shah. I am the founder and chief operating officer of Pepperfry.com. Today is a special day for the sport that I love. 13th May 1950 is when the first Formula race happened in Silverstone in United Kingdom. What is really amazing about this first race was that in the lineup they had a Swiss Baron, a well-known jazz musician and a Thai prince, and it was attended by 120,000 people. So today here I am to talk about Formula 1 race in general and Michael Schumacher in specific. I started following Formula 1 races towards the end of my engineering, I think late 90s to early 2000. I was especially fascinated by the sheer amount of passion and skill of Michael Schumacher and how he executed speed with brilliant precision. I would say three things: passion, skill and sheer style. I think he was the only one. He was the king of the sport, the Red Baron. I think what was overall very interesting about him was not only his skill in speed, but his passion for the sport. He was the one who worked with Ferrari to design and develop the Ferrari Enzo, which turns out to be my favorite car. Not only that, he also developed the super light helmets for F1 drivers. Clearly shows the passion that this guy had for the sport. Well, I don't remember the first one, but very clearly the best one was 1996 Spanish Grand Prix, where our hero got the title of Rainmaster, and it was incidentally also the first race that he won for Ferrari. After starting really poorly at the 6th position in wet conditions, I don't know how unbelievably this guy came out to take the lead position in just a matter of 13 laps. Truly brilliant. Well, I think I am myself a speedster, being a fan of the sport. I have traveled across the world, and one thing that I really look forward to is doing road trips in new countries. So starting from autobahns in Germany to doing Great Ocean Drive in Australia to doing 200 kilometers an hour on our very own Mumbai Expressway, I have done it all. I think I truly enjoy speed and precision, and is an important part of my life, and I try to incorporate that in everything that I do. I traveled to Italy in 2019, and to be very honest, I did not go there for wine or for the canals or for the Leaning Tower of Pisa, but to visit the Ferrari headquarters in Maranello. We took the tour of the facility, and the number of Ferraris that I saw on that day is unspeakable. It was truly a fan moment. It was also incidentally the 50th birthday of Michael Schumacher, and therefore I was able to see in the museum a lot of memorabilia on Michael Schumacher, and it was memorable, truly memorable. So guys, this year Michael Schumacher turned 51, and to all you Ferrari and Formula 1 and Schumacher fans out there, please join me in wishing him a speedy recovery, and hopefully all of us will see him someday next to the mean machine again.